All right, students, we are back with part B of Sheep in a Jeep, and we have set the ramp at about 5 centimeters high, and Miss Johnson is going to let the sheep in a Jeep go. We're going to measure the distance. All right, it made quite a good little trip here. Let's see if we can figure out about how many centimeters. Looks like 96 this time. So I've got a whiteboard over here set up that I'm going to use to record the distance. This trial one was 96 centimeters. All right, I'm going to give the sheep in a Jeep back to Miss Johnson, and we're going to repeat. All right, here we go. We're right here. We're about as accurate as the measurements in the NFL. And again, it's 96 centimeters. That is really odd. Students, it doesn't usually happen quite that similarly. Miss Johnson is very consistent here. All right, and here comes trial 3. Okay, so we are right about here, and this time it's 93 centimeters, and let's get that recorded. While I'm recording this, Miss Johnson is gonna prop our ramp up twice as high as it has been. So instead of 5 centimeters, it's now gonna be 10 centimeters, and we're gonna record the distances that we achieve now. We're trying to see, is there a difference? Sorry, I got a little wonky there. Is there a difference when there's a higher tilt to the ramp? All right, here we go. Whoa, that clearly went farther. In fact, it went so far that we're kind of going to have to guesstimate about how far it went past 150. So it looks like, ooh, okay, here we go. So I went to about here, and I'm gonna jump back here and try to keep that the same. So that's about 14. So we're gonna add 150 and 14 and get 164 centimeters. So you can see that rolled farther this time when our ramp was higher. All right, here comes trial 2 at 10 centimeters. Whoa. Okay, it did curve a little, but that's okay. It's just one of the things we have to deal with. So it didn't quite roll as far this time. We're right about here. So if I back up over here, that's about 7 centimeters. So we're going to say 157 centimeters. Okay, and for the third trial. Oh my goodness. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Whoops. That was very crazy wonky. Sorry, kiddos. All right, so we're not too far off from this letter C. And that's going to be about 12. So if I have 150 and I add 12, I'm going to be at 162 centimeters. Man, I'm not good at writing through the phone. That is crazy. Okay, so we will learn in another video how to average these, but these are the times you need to record for part B, 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters trials 1, 2, and 3.